Hello everyone. In this session, we'll see two model question paper of computer science, which is based on the reduced syllabus of 2020 and 21, and which is given by Karnataka PU Board. So we'll see some of the basic things here. Okay, so it's all about the model question paper, which is given by the PU Board. So totally this. That means this computer science paper is set for 70 marks, and you will be having total number of questions is 37, and the time allot will be 3 hours 15 minutes, and subject code is 41. Okay, so here we have four parts: part A, part B, part C, and part D. Okay, so in first part A you will be getting 1 marks 10 question, and in part B you will be having 2 marks questions, and in part C you will be having 3 marks question, and in part D, that means you will be having 5 marks question. Okay, so I already uploaded a blueprint of the computer science for 2020 and 21. If you are not aware of that blueprint of a computer science marks distribution, I have added that in a description box, so you can visit that link, and you can watch that video in order to get to know about blueprint or marks allocation of each chapter. Okay, so in this we'll see some of the important question or model question which is released by the PU board. So in first part, that is part A, so this will be for 10 marks. That means 1 marks 10 questions will be there. So you need to answer for all the question, and this it's based on the current blueprint or revised one. Okay, so you can see the questions here. Expand CMOS. Basic gate is also known as inverter, that is not gate. And what is an array? So we need to give some example for primitive data structure. And what is function overloading? Define the base class. So name any one characteristics of the public visibility mode. How to declare a pointer. And what is database? What is tuple in database? I told already in blueprint. That means you will be having two questions from this database chapter, so that you need to concentrate on the 1 marks question, which is of 2 marks. You can easily score 2 marks from this chapter itself. And even in data structure, there will be allocation of 2 marks questions. That means 1 marks 2 questions will be there from data structure chapter, so that you are having what is an array and example for primitive data structure. Okay, so this paper totally set based on that blueprint. So first of all, you should know the blueprint or marks distribution of each chapter. Then this will be easy for you, and you can analyze the model paper for easy scoring. So once you are done with part A, that means once you are done with 1 marks all the questions, then you can move to part B, so which is for 10 marks. That means out of 9 question you need to answer 5 questions here. Okay, out of 8 questions you need to answer for 5 questions. There will be a choice. So you can see that what is cache memory. Mention any two types of cache memory, that is L1 and L2 are the types of cache memory. And we need to prove involution law using truth table. Okay, and from classes and object you will be having what is data member and member function question. And in from constructor chapter we are having what is destructor, which symbol is used with destructor, that is the tilde symbol. And mention any two advantages of inheritance. From inheritance chapter you will be having 2 marks question, and we need to specify the difference between static and dynamic memory allocation. And here we have another differentiation, get and get line used with data files. That means this question is from file handling chapter. And here we have any two features of database management system, that means DBMS system. Okay, it's purely based on the blueprint which is given by the board. Okay, so it's all about 2 marks question. Out of all these question you need to answer for 5. Okay, so 2 into 5 will be 10. And Here we have part C, that is the 3 marks question. Okay, so out of 8 questions you need to answer for 5 questions. So here we have state and prove De Morgan's first law. So and explain different operations performed on primitive data structure. From data structure chapter you will be getting 18 marks totally, so you need to concentrate on all the parts. That means 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 mark question. Everything will be important from this chapter. And next is write an algorithm for push operations in a stack data structure. So you will be getting a particular or important algorithm from this data structure chapter. That means it can be either push operation, pop operation. Okay, that is very important. You need to concentrate on the algorithm. Okay, and here we have a 3 marks question from this oops concept. We need to specify, we just need to mention any 3 applications of oops. Okay, then in constructor chapter we need to concentrate on the types of constructor. Okay, whether it is a parameterized one or default constructor, like that. Okay, so you need to concentrate on the types of constructor, that will be important. And write any 3 advantages of pointer, how this pointer is helpful and what are the advantages, that will be important thing. And explain any 3 modes to file, any 3 modes to open a file. So in this you need to concentrate on the modes of file operation, opening of a file, closing of a file, updating, like that. Okay, at last, we are going to get a difference between manual and electronic data processing, that is related to DBMS. So that will be important thing. So in all the chapter that has a particular weightage, so you need to concentrate on that and work based on the purely based on the blueprint. Okay. Next is part D, that is 5 marks question that has more weightage. Out of all these questions, you need to answer for 7 questions. Okay, that totally for 35. And so explain any 5 components of motherboard. So 27th question will be purely from the first chapter. Okay, so typical configuration of the computer system, whatever the important question or whatever the important 5 marks questions will be there, you need to concentrate on that. So in this model paper they have given important concepts, that means 5 important components of a motherboard. Okay, so this question is very important, that is boolean function. Okay, so you need to know the k-map working. Okay, how is going to find a reduced k-map, that will be important thing. This will for sure from that means in 28th question you will be having a one question which is related to k-map itself. And this question is also very important. That means realize logical NOT and or gate using either it can be NOR gate or NAND gate. That will be sure you will be getting this question in your examination. Okay, and next is algorithm. So it can be either to search an element or insert an element, delete an element. That will be very important. Okay, so you guys mainly concentrate on the algorithm. So algorithms can be asked for 3 marks and even for 5 marks. Sure, you will be getting a question from an algorithm. It can be either push, pop, searching an element, inserting an element, that means push, pop, like that. Okay, that will be very important. And what is queue? Different types of queue. Or what is stack? Different types of operations. So those are the important things. And here we have a mention and explain 5 features of OOPS. Okay, features of OOPS, applications of OOPS, characteristics of OOPS, that will be very important. Okay, and explain the class definition with syntax and example. So in classes and object you need to concentrate on the class definition with syntax and example, along with that class member function, whether it is inside or outside the class. That will be also important thing. And in this member function and function overloading, so you will be having inline function with programming example. So you need to give or you need to write a simple program related to inline function. So in this chapter you may concentrate on inline function, friend function. Okay, so those two are the important things, so that you will be getting those questions from this chapter for sure. So concentrate on those things and write the rules for writing the constructor function. So these are nothing but constructor function characteristics. That means what are the standards or rules that needs to be followed in order to perform any constructor in our program. Okay. Then what is inheritance? So inheritance, from inheritance you will be getting 5 marks question. So that in this you mainly concentrate on what is inheritance and what are the types of inheritance. That can be single level, multi level, multiple level, hybrid level, anything. So that you mainly concentrate on the types of inheritance. That will be for sure you will be getting 5 marks question out of those things. Okay. Then write and explain data processing cycle. So this will be important thing from the DBMS. So it's all about one paper. So we have another paper, that is second paper, that means model question paper 2. So in this we have same 4 parts, part A, B, C and D. A for 10 marks and part B for 10 marks and part C, that is 3 marks questions. Part 4 is D, that is 5 marks question, totally of 35 marks. Okay. So in this first question is related to first chapter, expand USB. Okay. Then write in standard symbol for OR gate. So this is about logical gate. So you need to concentrate on the gates, NAND, OR, and like that. Okay. So give an example for non-primitive data structure. You can see that in previous model paper they have given a question, that means give an example for primitive data structure. So in this paper they are given for non-primitive data structure. So this kind of questions are very important from this chapter. So they may ask you to write the examples or abbreviations like that. Okay. Then define stack data structure. So I told in a previous that means you will be getting 2 questions from this data structure, 2 questions of 1 marks. Okay. So totally 2 marks from this same chapter. And what is inline function? So this inline function is very important. You may get 1 marks question, 2 marks question, 3 and 5 marks question from this inline function along with the program. So mainly thorough about the what is inline function and how it will be useful, what is the syntax, and a small example along with the syntax. That will be very important. And what is visibility mode in inheritance? So in inheritance 1 marks 1 question will be there and 5 marks 1 question will be there. So in 5 marks you may have its types, but in 1 marks it may going to ask the visibility mode. Okay, private, public and protected are the visibility mode. Okay, then mention any one type of inheritance. I told it already, that means in type of inheritance that you have to concentrate. It may give for either 1 marks, 2 marks or anything like that. Okay. So which is the address of operator in pointer and symbol, that is address of symbol. And what is information? Define primary key. So last question is from purely from database management system. So you need to concentrate on all these things. So there will be one abbreviation and a symbol and example and definition and its example or type or applications and what is this or define this like that. Okay, it's all about 1 marks question from chapter. Then so here we have a part B, that is 2 marks question. So mention the types of UPS. So in this what is cache memory, what are the types, that will be important. Along with that types of UPS. Okay. And define the terms min term and max term. So this will be these kinds of definitions are important. And name any two access specifier, private, public and protected. Write the syntax and example of default constructor. So from constructor, surely you are going to get what is constructor, what are the types of constructor, along with the syntax and example. So be prepared for that. Okay. What is constructor? What is its working procedures or features or standards that needs to be followed, and write the syntax and example along with the types. That will be important for sure. And define the base class and derived class. So in previous we had a questions like what is data member and member function, but in this we have what is base class and derived class. Base class is nothing but super class and derived class is a subclass or child class. Okay. So name the operators which is used to allocate and deallocate the memory dynamically. So this is from member function, that means we are going to use new and delete. Okay, so this from pointer. What is input stream and output stream? So this is from file chapter, and briefly explain the logical one-tier architecture. So this is from database management system. And here we have a part C, and in this first is state and prove commutative law using truth table. Okay, so this will be important question. And here we have another question related to array. That means we need to specify, we need to write three advantages of array. Okay, and I told that all the algorithms that will be important in a data structure, be prepared for that and work on that. Okay, so you need to prepare for what is write an algorithm for push operation, pop operation. It can be either in stack or queue. Okay, so stack operations is different and queue is different, so that you need to specify or you need to concentrate on a particular thing, whether it's a push operation, or that means we are adding and inserting an element into an array, and pop, that means we are deleting from an array. Okay, so in 22nd question we have a definition, data and abstraction, encapsulation and polymorphism. So these are questions from basic concepts of OOPS. Okay, so mention the different types of constructor. I already told that you will be having a question from constructors for sure. So prepare for that. And we have explained the static memory allocation. So it can be a difference between the static and dynamic memory, and what are the operators which is used for dynamic and static memory allocation, deallocation. Okay, so totally will be you need to concentrate on static memory allocation. Okay, and explain in any three file opening modes. So in previous we had a same question, file opening modes or closing modes, like that you need to concentrate from the file chapter, file handling concept. Okay, explain network data model. So in this chapter you need to concentrate on the models, one tier model, network model, like that. Okay, so in part D, that is for 5 marks questions, totally you need to answer for 7 questions. So that in this what is cache memory, explain two types. This will be very important. That means in first chapter you will be getting these questions. So I told already that you will be getting K-mark for sure, right? So 28th question will be every time is will be based on the K-mark. Okay, then I told now realize NAND nor not OR gate using NAND. So in previous model paper we had a same question, instead of NAND we got NOR. Okay, so these two are the very important question. For sure you will be getting this question from this chapter. Fine. Then so I told now algorithm. So write an algorithm for inserting an element into an array. So same thing you have in your program list. Okay, so you need to concentrate on inserting an element into an array, deleting an element into array, how to sort, and about binary search. So those are the important algorithms that you need to concentrate. So be prepared for that, and explain the operation performed on queue. Okay, any applications of object oriented programming. So from this object oriented programming chapter, you concentrate on the characteristics, applications, and what are the important basic definitions, whether it can be class, object, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, like that. Okay, then briefly explain inside the class definition with syntax and example. So as I told earlier, so in classes and object you need to concentrate on the class definition with syntax and example. After that, how to define the member function inside the class definition along with the syntax and example, that will be important, or even outside the class definition with syntax and example, that will be important. Okay, after that explain the function overloading with suitable programming examples. So in function overloading we have only three things, that means what is function overloading along with the example or syntax, and what is inline function, and what is friend function along with the syntax program, that will be important from the chapter. So totally you need to concentrate on only three things from that function overloading and member function, so that what is its function overloading with a programming example, and what is inline function, what is friend function, along with the program and syntax, that you need to concentrate. So what is destructor, write the rules for destruction function, that means it is mainly used for deallocation of the memory automatically. right? So destructor and what is constructor, what are the types, that will be important from this constructor chapter. And write any 5 advantages of inheritance. So as I told earlier, in inheritance chapter you need to concentrate on what is inheritance, what are the types along with the advantage. Okay, then give the difference between manual and electronic data processing. So this question is from database management system. So it's all about model papers of 2021. So this is purely based on the blueprint which is given by the Karnataka PUC board. So before moving to the model papers, you go with the blueprint or marks allocation of each chapter. Then this will be easier to understand the things. So you need to concentrate on all the chapters. Data structure chapter has more weightage. So total of 18 marks will be from that chapter itself. Okay. So it's all about the model papers, model question paper of computer science. It's of